Hello everyone, welcome back to NG Talk Room. Today we are going to learn all English tenses from basic to advanced in a simple, practical, and speaking-focused way. If you understand this lesson carefully, you will be able to speak English more clearly, more confidently, and more naturally. So let's begin. What is tense? First, understand one simple idea. A tense tells us about time. It shows when an action happens, whether it is happening now, already happened, or will happen in the future. There are three main tenses: present, past, future. Each tense has four forms: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Now we will understand each one step by step. Present tense. 1. Present simple. We use present simple for daily routine habits, general facts. Structure. Subject plus base verb. Examples. I work every day. She plays football. They live in Delhi. Important rule. With he, she, it arrow add s. He works. She eats. 2. Present continuous. Use for actions happening right now. Structure. Subject plus is/am/are plus verb plus ing. Examples. I am studying. She is cooking. They are playing. Use this when action is in progress. 3. Present perfect. Used for actions completed recently, result important in present. Structure. Subject plus has/have plus v3. Examples. I have finished my work. She has completed her homework. Time not important. Result is important. 4. Present perfect continuous. Used for action started in past and still continuing. Structure. Subject plus has/have been plus verb plus ing. Examples. I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been working since morning. Focus equals duration. Kitne time se. Past tense. Before. 1. Past simple. Used for completed action in past. Structure. Subject plus v2. Examples. I worked yesterday. She went to school. They watched a movie. 2. Past continuous. Used for action happening in past, ongoing. Structure. Subject plus was/were plus verb plus ing. Examples. I was studying. They were playing. Often used with interruption. I was sleeping when he called. 3. Past perfect. Used for one action completed before another in past. Structure. Subject plus had plus v3. Examples. I had finished my work before dinner. She had left before I arrived. 4. Past perfect continuous. Used for duration before something happened. Structure. Subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. Examples. I had been studying for 2 hours before the exam. Focus equals past duration. Yellow circle. Future tense. Ahead. 1. Future simple. Used for decisions, predictions, promises. Structure. Subject plus will plus v1. Examples. I will call you. She will help you. 2. Going to future. Used for plans, intentions. Structure. Subject plus is/am/are plus going to plus v1. Examples. I am going to travel. They are going to start a business. 3. Future continuous. Used for action in progress in future. Structure. Subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. Examples. I will be working at 10 a.m. She will be studying tonight. 4. Future perfect. Used for action completed before future time. Structure. Subject plus will have plus V3. Examples. I will have finished my work by evening. 5. Future perfect continuous. Advanced. Used for duration till a future point. Structure. Subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing. Examples. I will have been working for 5 hours by 6 p.m. Advanced but powerful. Most important rule. Don't try to use all tenses at once. Start with present simple, present continuous, past simple. These 3 tenses equals 80% daily English. Common mistakes. I am go. I am going. He go. He goes. I did not went. I did not go. Focus on correct structure. How to master tenses. Learn 1 tense. Make 5 sentences. Speak loudly. Repeat daily. Practice equals fluency. Final motivation. Tenses are not difficult. They only look difficult. If you understand time plus structure plus practice, you can speak English confidently. Start simple. Speak daily. Improve step by step. Thank you for listening to NG Talk Room. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and your English will improve every day. See you in the next lesson.